course, this is not a recommended use of staticness, because there are a variety of reasons why we might want to count how many people we have. And doing so at this class level really limits the flexibility of doing those counting calculations. For example, what if you wanted to count how many people had the name of blah, for example? In that case, you would be forced to not use static. I mean, you could do this. But this would be absolutely horrible. Because using static in this context, making a computation that's shared between the class or all instances of the class will ultimately lead you to creating very difficult to understand code.
Plus, what if I, as your client, come to you and say, "Oh, now we also need to keep track of the number of people named Woe"?
Right. Then we would have to add another member and blah, 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 and it would just get really obnoxious. Instead, we can do those computations elsewhere. We could add all these people to a list and then simply perform the computation of what the client wants as needed.